Okay, anyway, another vlog, new vlog, another day. So while we up, while I get up at 6, and I see a text, it's just like, Jersey, we gotta leave in like an hour. So we all got ready. So we're waiting for Taisha. We're about to go. We're about to go to.
It's Hagrid.
That's the name of the dog?
That's the one that looks like a Hagrid that I saw.
Oh, we're about to go. We're about to go to Jersey and go to the Dream Mall. So come spend the day with us. Come spend the day with us in Jersey. Impromptu surprise Jersey trip.
It's Hagrid.
Let me see him.
Let me see underneath there.
Look at. Sophia keep calling him Hagrid. He about to go do his business. I'm taking him. Say hi. Boyfriend. You say hey. Could you snort a little more? You want to go to the mall? What we did? Would you shut up? We got Chick-fil-A.
Is that how we talk to people?
That is how we talk to people. We got Chick-fil-A. Dolly done scratched a hole in there, so she trying to fit the dog into Dolly's stroller. Him and Dolly ain't the same size. You fit? You okay?
He look uncomfortable.
He okay.
He's the boo-boo.
So we're at welcome to American Dream. Taisha trifling, she been here already. Even though we were supposed to come here since they open. She came here without us. A year ago, wow. Wow. Oh, what they doing right here? Those are not Boy Scouts. Are they? They're not Boy Scouts. They say police on the thing. Janae is what is she talking to them about? Janae ain't stopped to talk to nobody all this time. Janae seen them. Look at her. And then she tried to.
Oh my God.
Interesting. So you gotta scan for the aquarium too. Attraction packages. You get 2 Lego Discovery Center plus Sea Life, starting at $59. Shut up.
The Sea Life admission starting at $32.99.
What's a Ranger pack?
A Ranger pack. Let's click it and see.
Make the most of your visit and add even more magic to your visit. With a Ranger pack and get $1 off. Save $1 package includes 1 general admission ticket, 1 Ranger activity pack, and a VIP photo down. Please be sure to read the fantastic safety section.
I'm good.
They have a mirror maze.
Let's go to the mirror maze. That's
So what's
fun.
this? Oh wait, they got a mirror maze. Oh, it's mini golf.
This is like the illusion.
I did an illusion museum. Oh, okay. And then what's that down there?
Activate.
Girl, they got all this right here on this floor. We even get to the amusement park. We even get to Nickelodeon. So it's $25 for 45 minutes. Oh, it's like a big, so it's laser tag, these things. Okay. Okay.
Hi.
So there's a rink, there's a lounge, the water park, Universal, mini golf. Now what's this? Blast. No, it's like you sitting in a thing. Girl, they got everything. Blast and 7D. What's 7D? Yeah, don't make up the answer. You don't know the answer. Well, I want some of them sneaker slippers. Who wants sneaker slippers? I want some. You want these, Taisha? These are cute. I don't know.
You want to try them on?
No, that's okay. How much are they?
45.
45. These are cute.
Maybe a Christmas gift.
Oh, I like these. I want these. This is a different mini golf than the other mini golf. So this Angry Bird mini golf and the other one was other mini golf. Nickelodeon. The Nickelodeon Park. So what's the? What you say? I'm gonna fight you. So it start at 119 or 115. Oh wait, it start at $69. They start at prices. So look, this is the theme park. I don't know. We got a dog. I don't think we're doing much. Oh, it's closed right now. Oh, I didn't realize it was closed. But they got the water park here. What this is? What this is?
Oh, look, this
That's not a pose.
I'm sorry.
Get out of here. I quit you. Goodbye. I don't even need you no more. Toys R Us. Sophia love a good Toys R Us. Where is she at? What you done seen?
I've seen Hatchimals, those little eggs that I had.
Oh, yeah.
Cabbage Patch Dolls?
Not Cabbage Patch Dolls. Everybody remember
Have,
Cabbage.
like the one that's like, hi, I'm Tia. Like before the Bratz dolls.
Can we talk to you?
What doll is that?
And she had the big eyes.
Must be on drugs, honey. Oh my god.
No, that sounds familiar.
She'd be like, mine's gonna be like, hi, I'm Tia.
He about to get out, Taisha. He about to leave.
You know, he's attached.
Oh, well, he think he's not. Let me see it. Oh, yes. I remember it. I remember it.
Maybe I'm the only one who had one.
Sorry, put in.
Look,
Naija.
this is an Aisha doll. You see it?
Anything with a rainbow?
No, not because it had a rainbow, because it had a mohawk.
Oh, because I'm just like, you.
6 minutes to destination.
Oh, it tells you the time frame. All right now. That's how they all need to be. Okay, he done got out the stroller and starting stuff. He's trying to do it too much. That's how Chynell be at night when she be out in the clubs in Korea. Look at this garden. Can you go in there? Oh, you can go in there. People are in there. So they got a garden, another museum.
Nothing real.
It's still pretty. It's like Vegas. Like that. What's that hotel? Yeah, what's that hotel? Museum of Emotions. Is this like that movie that I like? What's that movie?
Inside Out.
Inside Out. Is it
Like,
like?
that's my favorite movie. What's your favorite character though?
I'm depression.
Same. Same.
Depression.
Sadness, teeth sadness all the way because you cannot be happy without experiencing sadness.
Sophia just had me dying laughing. We was in Cotton On, and she picked out these little knit crop tops. Like, so you put them over your shirt, whatever. But so Taisha was like, "Oh, those are $40." She was like, "Okay." Came back with 3. Taisha was like, "You know that's $120." She was like, "I'm ready to go." But I feel like she needed a bigger budget this year. Last year her budget was like $1,000. It don't seem to. I don't know. Stank face. Anyway, Sophia just replaced Taisha's hat. Sophia, okay. Sophia's shopping now. Daddy sent extra money.
Should I get the bag too?
So you want to get the bags? Daddy sent extra money. Sophia's shopping there.
$200.
Here goes Sophia. We just was here at our mall. She back because she want them hair clips. She got her little extra money. Can't tell her nothing with her bags. Chynell, you tired?
I'm tired.
You not tired? You awake?
Wait.
You tired?
Thanks, bro. This is happening.
I look ghostly. But anyway, up here. Huh? Kind of cute.
Every if people don't sit down, you want low platform eaves.
She said, "I know she want platform knees." I thought that was weird.
Oh, okay, 'cause
I
I'm
didn't want to
just
say
like,
it.
what do you
I didn't want to say it. I want to be supportive. Oh, I want to be supportive. Those are
Almost also 100.
Try them on your feet, see how they look. But I feel like I'd be comfortable even walking.
Beauty is stunning. These are gorgeous.
Okay.
When you got to go up and down them school stairs, you ain't gonna be thinking
These are gorgeous. Who cares?
you gonna care when you got to go up and down them school stairs. They're trying to open their sodas. Yeah, it's usually like it's hard.
Yeah, it's just.
There goes Sophia got hers. How are we having looks? Look at that. Look at me. I'm coming into the door. Yes.
Don't play the song in the background though.
Oh no, that's not ribbed in the inside.
That way she's not wearing it because she keeps wearing them down.
It's not ribbed in the inside. It's like it's
It's $27, bro.
it's smooth in the inside. Okay, I would just pick you up some of the ones from Target. But these seem good. these seem fine. Okay.
I'll get her though.
We're trying to go to Yard House. We got the dog in the stroller and they don't have outside feeding today. But look, I didn't know. Is it okay? Okay, so they have an under 700 thing. So if you grab some under 700 pieces. AKA me. AKA me. Okay, so we're here. I'm about to get me, I don't know. Oh, we made it for happy hour.
Happy hour.
Yeah.
Oh, not the garbage.
Our spinach dip is here.
You have to make a word from those words and a starting letter. What kind of sandwich is this? Italian. It's not Italian.
I know this is I'm an Italian. We did it. We did it. Yeah. Yeah.
Healthier. Like I love myself. Let me get a picture of that.
She said what? Like she what? She drinking simple water. We are done. I was trying to find out the snow. We saw it from inside the restaurant. But we can't figure out how to get there from up here. But you could also ski in here. You can ski, amusement park, all kind of stuff. Me and Sophia think we might come back and do like the amusement stuff. The Nickelodeon thing was closed today. But she did a bunch of the school shopping. And I'm going to show y'all all that when we get back to the house.
Busted it down in front of me.
You had a good time, Taisha?
Target walked in front of us.
Toad's fun.
Sophia, had a good time?
Yeah.
Janae, good time?
Yeah. And some lady.
Oh, shit. We're out. Never get done if we wait for her to do it. But, this is where we at. Cotton on. This is only part. She still has a lot more to spend. But, after me and her father agreed to raise her budget, because I thought it was too low anyway, she went and got some cute pieces. She got these. These were from Cotton On, $40. If you feel these are nice. They're not like that cheapy. Like if you're afraid you'll snag it and you'll get caught, she has it in black. She has it in white. And that's what she does. She gets something, if she likes something, she'll get it in every color. Because she's, well, in every color in her color scheme. And she has it in green. And I think like this is close to the color of sneakers she went to. She went Dunks or Air Force Ones. I think she wants it close to this color. She got these. So they lace them in that. Like that. And these were from Cotton On too. $30. And she got it in black. Two. The same one. So in Cotton On she spent, how much she spent? $170, $169.95. So she spent $170 there. She got these. She got from the store in the mall. They just had, it was like a, it says Charlotte Russe, but wait, was this the Charlotte Russe one? Oh no, this was, we went to the actual Charlotte Russe and they had this store that was like Charlotte Russe. They had Charlotte Russe stuff in it, but it was bigger, so they had more stuff. But she got this. Or did Janae get this? I think this was Sophia's. So she got this. This was $16. And it's a stitch. And it has the big stitch on it. And then it has the hoodie on it. $16. And then the answer, because she can't live without jewelry. So she got I didn't film it. She got her nose done, so she got a septum and she got two right there. And she wants her earrings and stuff to match. She went and got a new septum one with stars because she changed it. She went and got a new septum one with stars, so she wants the stars to match. So she got these. I'll put a picture of these. You're gonna see these. It's like these star earrings instead of star earrings, and I think these were 45 for that right there. Primark. She got something. Me and Janae got something. We went to this little Asian store in the Dream Mall too. We got drinks and stuff. But anyway, so these are Janae's sleep shirts. Janae like a sleep shirt. So she got Dior. Well, that was Stitch. She got Garfield. And these are just like that. Those are cute. Me and Janae got matching pajamas. So it's like a little romper. These are so cute. And they feel so soft. We got these. And these were how much? $19 for these. And then Saphira got Coca-Cola shirt. Coca-Cola sweatshirt. This is an extra small, so it's like an oversized shirt. And this was $22. $22 for them. And then the sleep shirts were, they were $19 too for the sleep shirts. Right here, she got a pair of these. These like 100 and something. Like whatever the average, the regular price is. Oh wait, here we go. These were $120. $120 for these. She saw these in the, it's La Visha. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, it's like the store in the mall. So she saw these hair clips, but she wanted two, but she couldn't find the other one. So she got these. These are $9 a piece for these. We went to we went to Aerie, but they checked us out at American Eagle. But she got herself some cute little flare leggings. So she got brown, and then they have that cute little waist thing there. And she got them in black. So she got two pair of those. These were on sale. These were 30 something. I think these were like 41. Oh, this is Janae stuff from the Cotton Bar. Okay. She got socks. These were $2. And then these like, they Mickey socks. They so cute. Mickey socks. And she got these jeans on clearance too. So these were $30 for these. They were on sale. Yeah, they were $30. Oh yeah, and then last, these t-shirts, all these t-shirts. So this is like from the store. That was like, it was Charlotte Russe, but it wasn't, didn't say Charlotte Russe. She got a bunch of t-shirts. She got Los Angeles, Hello Kitty. This one was on the mannequin when we came in, so she got it. $7 for this one. I think the other ones were like $10 a piece. So this right here. Another Hello Kitty one. Another Hello Kitty one. And these are all $10. This Hello Kitty one. Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Another Hello Kitty one. This one's the extra large. And then this, which I thought we wasn't getting this one. She got this one. So it just says Paris. Da, da, da. So that was it. So all of this, not including Janae's stuff, she spent under $600 for that. So she still has like $1,000 left. We gotta get underclothes. We gotta get she needs sneakers. She wants some cargo pants, skirts. So she has a bunch of other stuff to still get. So we're gonna still be school shopping. Maybe into the school year. The school starts really soon. So that was it.